more so on the higher levels of my cheeks and on my eyes too. So I fill in my brows really soft. I don't even go on with a pencil or anything harsh. I just use brow gel. I fill that in and then I just conceal my eyebrows. So when I conceal my eyebrows, I do my eyebrows kind of thin because I love that thin eyebrow look. I go on with this OS translucent powder. This one is in the color Honey. I go on with a brush and then I tap the rest in under my eyes and just other area of my face where I just press the powder in. This just makes my skin look really smooth. Like if you have texture on your skin like I do, pressing the powder in just literally gets rid of all the texture. Then I go in with my third pink blush. Yes, as you can tell, blush pink is very essential to a soft, girly coquette look. And I don't go too hard with the lashes. I just literally cut some lashes in half and then I put it on the outer corners of my eye. Now I'm just blending it in with some mascara. I swear, I love the way a good overlined lip looks. And this is with a brown, I believe it's a Sephora lip liner pencil. And I take the Gasson lip oil and just finish that off. So I would say if your lips aren't naturally pink, you should definitely put some of that liquid blush on your lip. And this is the finished look. Oh my god, I love it. It's just so pink, and for whatever reason with the blonde wig, it just gives Marilyn Monroe. Am I tripping? Okay, so now on to finishing the look. I got my little pink Shein dress on, and now I'm just fixing my wig. This is a synthetic wig I got off of Amazon, and I'm gonna make a cute little bow and put it in my hair. You already know, it's not really coquette without a bow, right? And then I'm just gonna stick that in my hair with a bobby pin, and there we go. I feel so cute, so girly. I love this look. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.